Two Perth engineers have designed a machine that can turn the rubble of disaster zones into bricks to help rebuild communities. The first mobile brick factory has been sent to Ukraine, where it has the capability to build 3 homes or even a hospital in as little as 7 days.
It was an idea hatched over a few pints. 2 Australian engineer mates coming up with what's known as a mobile block factory.
One thing led to another. On the back of a coaster, we came up with the idea of this containerised factory that had sort of never been done before.
Nick Matich and Blake Stacey joined forces, creating the Mobile Crisis Construction Factory, recycling rubble into relief in the form of bricks.
It's an emotional thing for them to be sorting through their rubble, but also it's a great emotional thing to be using it.
Much like Lego, the interlocking bricks are simple to put together and don't even need mortar.
Basically, it means, particularly in a crisis zone, anyone can come along and lay their own bricks for their own house.
The machine is fed debris, which is then mixed with other materials, sent into a hydraulic press before pushing the bricks onto a board for drying.
Mixture is around 50% rubble or recycled materials, about 40% clay and about 10% cement.
The $120,000 unit, easily disguised in a shipping container, is now on its way to Ukraine to provide a building boost in the crisis zone.
You can't take traditional bricks to these locations, so it's the only way to rebuild.
The first project, a stretch of up to 30 townhouses to help house 70 people.
This machine gives Ukrainians hope that they can rebuild their houses, that they're going to have a roof over their heads again.
Alina's family town in Ukraine, now a disaster zone.
It's devastating. People are displaced, lots of destruction. Half of the houses are destroyed. This small brick factory is a big hope for Ukrainians.
And it's not just rubble. The machine can also convert other materials like Australian red dirt, glass and iron ore.
There's a lot of scope for adding mining tailings, local raw materials at regional centres to give them work, to give them blocks to lay, to give them housing.
One of these mobile block factories can make 8,000 blocks in 8 hours. That means that in nearly a week, it can easily make enough to build 3 large homes, a school or a hospital.
The next plan for the charity is to scale up and deploy more units around the world. The cutting-edge machine is set to arrive in Ukraine within weeks, bolstering relief efforts for the war-torn nation.
Where it's going in 𝐼𝐸, there are 20,000 houses destroyed. And you can't imagine it. Yeah, so if they can make any inroads into that, that'd be great.
Claire Ridley, 9 News.